Hey guys, I'm Mallory Varner, and we are wrapping up an amazing week here in Las Vegas at the Printing United Trade Show. We want to thank all of you for coming by and seeing us. We love seeing our customers. We have the absolute best ones and some great suppliers. They have been awesome this week. Some great specials that I'm glad y'all took advantage of, whether you were here or not. And we hope to see you next time. Check out our events page to see what trade show we'll be at next.
1, 2, 3, GFG!